Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove editing Google Docs in offline. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove editing Google Doc in offline, go to your Google Doc and open the document. I want to remove editing this file in offline. Just click on three dot icon on the file, and here you will find available offline. Now it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now available offline is turned off. If you want to turn off availability in offline your whole documents, click on menu icon on upper left corner, click on settings. Here you will find offline and create, open and edit your recent Google Doc files on this device while offline, and now it's turned on. Just turn it off. Editing offline is turned off. Now click on OK. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.